Hello everyone. In this video we will understand how you can write the addition of two number program in the C language and how you can execute it. First let us understand how to open it. In previous video I have already explained it. So click on the start, click on the run and type cmd or command to open the console mode, and then type cd dot dot cd dot dot until you get the C prompt. Okay, so this is your C prompt. C colon backward slash greater than is called as C prompt. Once you get this C prompt, don't type cd dot dot, thereafter type cd turbo C2. Okay, type turbo C2. You will be entering into turbo C2 directory and thereafter type tc. Tc is the executable file of the C language. Type the tc. Okay, so you will be taken into C window. Okay, this is the C window. Okay, in the C window you can find file, edit, compile, project kinds of menus. Okay, now to open the file menu, Alt F is the key to open the file menu. Okay, and to open edit, Alt E, open run menu, Alt R, for compile menu, Alt C, for project menu, Alt P, and for open options menu, Alt O, and for debug, Alt D, and for break, Alt B. Okay, now simply select the new one, press the enter key from the keyboard. Now start typing your command line /star. Okay, write a C program on addition of two numbers. Okay, star /, press the enter key, then type the preprocessor directives, that is hash include, okay, less than stdio.h. It is a standard input output header file. Okay, next is the main, opening closing parenthesis. Main is the main program of the C language. Every program starts with the opening curly brace of the main function. Okay, after the main, the declaration part. There are two parts in the main. One is declaration, other is the executable part. In the declaration part, I will declare the variables, say n1 comma n2 comma sum, semicolon, enter clr clear screen command. Okay, use the printf statement and enter the values to n1 and n2. Okay, n1 and n2. So whatever we write in the double quote is going to print as usual on the output screen, because it is called as string. The string as usual prints on the screen. The next is the formatted input statement, that is scanf. In scanf, in double quote, I will write the control string %d. Okay, %d. D is the conversion character which takes the first value. Next is one more %d. Okay, double quote, comma, then ampersand n1 comma ampersand n2. The first value will store in n1 variable, second value store in n2 variable. Closing parenthesis, semicolon. Next is sum equals to n1 plus n2, semicolon. Okay, so this is how your program is going to display. So n1 plus n2. So we have some value in n1, some value in n2, and both the values are added by the plus operator, n1 plus n2. Assume that 10 plus 20 is added by the plus operator. So after adding both the values 10 plus 20, 30 value of the expression is going to store in print variable, sum variable. Now to print the sum value, I am using printf statement. Okay, the sum equals to %d double quotation close comma, okay, sum variable closing parenthesis semicolon, okay, get ch which holds the output screen, okay, and closing curly brace of your program. Okay, so after completion of this program, simply open the compile menu by pressing and holding alt key and pressing the C, okay, and enter. You will be having 0 errors and 0 warnings. Enter, okay, and to run the program, press alt R and press the enter key. This is your output screen. Enter the value to n1 and n2. Assume that 67, enter, and 89. So 67 will store into n1 and 89 will store into n2. Press the enter. The sum equals to 156. This is how you can execute this program. Okay, so addition of two numbers program. Once again you want to execute, again press and hold the alt key and press the R, then enter. Okay, now you can change the value like this. You can give the different value, 456 for n1 and 765 for n2, and press the enter key. So 1221 is the sum. Okay, so this is how you can execute this addition of two numbers program. Thank you.